Good morning, Knights. It's time to stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Knights. I'm Izzy.
And I'm Sylas.
It's Wednesday, January 26th.
Bulletin is on.
Oh, I'm late. Grab my backpack and my helmet. Here I go. I made it.
Did you read Things Fall Apart sophomore year?
Yes, I did.
How'd you like it?
I don't know. I didn't read it. And it's still in my room from sophomore year, and I need to return it. I'm sorry, library people.
Well, do you have any textbooks, novels, or library books from previous years still checked out? Are you finished with books from first semester? Please return them to the library ASAP so your fines can be removed. Specifically, if you have things from Things Fall Apart sophomore years, please bring them back this week.
Robotics build season has started. The team has been meeting every day after school in Mr. G's room. The robotics team is looking for a lot of new members. No experience necessary, just be willing to show up and they will teach you. Thinkers, builders, and programmers are needed.
If you've been concerned about whether you have COVID-19 or not, but did not have a test available at home, check this out. Every home in the United States is eligible to order free at-home COVID tests. That's right, 4 free test kits, no charge. Just follow this QR code to sign up. Each address is eligible to order for test. Orders usually ship in 7 to 12 days. These tests give results within 30 minutes. No lab drop-offs required.
Seniors graduating this year who wish to have their CTE dual credit courses transcribed should complete the online application to Olympic College. The online application takes about 20 minutes to complete. Students who are registered in SEERS complete the online application for Olympic College and pass their dual credit classes with a B or better will receive an Olympic College transcript in the mail after grades are processed during summer term. Want to know more? Follow the QR code to get registered.
On to districts! Lady Knights on 3! 1, 2, 3, Lady Knights!
That's right, Knights bowling has been on a roll. Last Thursday night, the ladies took 3rd place at the Olympic League bowling tournament and qualified for districts as a team. Congratulations to girls bowling and Coach Wagner. Way to go, Knights.
Let's see what's going on today after school. Autism Awareness Club meets in room 251 at 12:20. BSU, that's Black Student Union, gets together in the Career Center at 12:20. D&D, that's Dungeons and Dragons Club, gathers in Portable 600 at 12:30. Speakers of other languages clubs also will meet in Portable 602 at 12:30. And NJROTC Arm Drill and Color Guard will practice in and around room 119.
Well, that's our show for today. Thank you for watching, and go Knights.
Go Knights.